Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm here with a package from Journey of Crafting. I will turn this over so I don't show the addresses, and I pre-trimmed off the top, and you can find her on Etsy, and I will link everything down below. And the first thing I see, let me find my staple remover. There's a little thank you paper that has all of her social media on it, where she's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy. Okay, I will do her link for Etsy and her YouTube down below. Can't see that. Oh, I like the bag. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. And here's what I see. Ooh, a lot of good ephemera. And some little good extra goodies here. Here's a foam flower, which is pretty neat. I can use that in a project. And here's another foam flower I can use in a project. Monopoly card, which I have an idea for that. And here's her business card. Okay, you can stop the video and screenshot it if you want to contact her. And let's get into these die cuts. Ooh. Let's see what we can get out of in these die cuts. Looks like a lot of fun in these die cuts. And these die cuts are calligraphy die cuts from Stamperia. While I'm at it, I'm gonna take the staples out of this one also, so I can remove them off of my the desk. Sorry for the crunchy noises and the staple noises. Okay, so we got that. And let's see what the first one is named. There's 76 pieces in here. And I see some that I will be using soon. Special for scrapbooking. There's no title of this, but I will link this down below so you can go to her Etsy shop and purchase it. Letters are something from you. Oh, this one gives me a good idea. Here's one that says art. Here is a paintbrush. Another paintbrush, I'm assuming. This one has something written on it. Waterman's Ideal Fountain Pen. Oh, this is a fountain pen. Oh, I guess these are all fountain pens, because they all look the same. See? So you got those. Let's see, you got some letter tiles. There's tons of those. Look at that. Ooh. I might have to go purchase some more of these. What is this? Looks like another fountain pen. Look at all the tiles, letter tiles. Ooh. Okay, we got that. We got this word that says art. We have an ink a bottle of blue ink, and we have a strip of what looks like to be carving tools. Here's another tile. Here's the word love, the word calligraphy. Sorry about that. The tip of fountain pen. Looks like another fountain pen tip. Another word that says love in smaller version. See? This one says writing. Diary. Here's another bottle of ink. And this one's black. Here's a saying. Thank you. Writing. Journal. Love letter. Inspire. Oh, here's some more letter tiles. They're just scattered all over the place, aren't they? Here's the one that says notebook. And then here's a stamp. So we got that. Another ink tip. A fountain pen tip. Some tiny little tiles with numbers. Then we have a question mark. The and symbol. The letter I believe. A memories tile. Special moment notebook. Ooh, I like this, but I can read verba. I can't read the rest, and then man-it, I believe. See? And then we have a stack of letters here, some more tiles. Here's another letter tile. This one says, to change the world, you'll need a pen. Well, in that case, I got tons of pens. This one says memory. Some more pen tips. The letter A. And then we have writing is thinking on paper, which is true. And another little tile. So that's it for this one. And it was pretty fast shipping for Natasha. So we got that one. Now let's dig into this one. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay, so it's the same thing as this one. Yep, it's the same thing. So we got 2 packs of the same item, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to spread these around. Sorry for all the crinkling, but I can't help that. See? All the same tiles that I have from before. All the die cuts from in the same thing in the bag. So I will say this. I will link her shop down below. Her YouTube channel and her Facebook group will be all linked down below. And I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Be safe, be crafty, be kind, be loving. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.